What's going on, Credit Sniper? This is your boy Carlos Estrada with the best credit blueprint. Guys, today I have a nugget for you. I want to show you the difference between credit cards and personal loans. What is the difference between them and which one is best for you? Stay tuned. Alright, Credit Snipers, welcome back. Hey, I appreciate that you guys are here today. I know that you guys want to learn what is the difference between credit cards and personal loans. But before we start, if this is your first time on my channel, make sure you subscribe. Guys, you guys are gonna love this video. There's a lot of content, there's a lot of value. Make sure you stand all over to the end, but make sure that you like and share. Not only I want to help you, but I want to help your friends, family members, and anyone that I can actually reach to. So it will help me if you like and share. Now, what I'd like for you to do is make sure that you click on that bell icon, click on all. So like that, you'll be notified every time that we post some new content. Now, guys, the YouTube guys are going to help me reach more people if you give me the thumbs up. So give me the thumbs up. That's all I ask in return. This is free content for you. I'm also gonna have some nuggets in the description box, certain things that can help you to actually raise your score, get a new credit card, get a secure credit card in order for you to start raising your score. And you can go to all of my other videos, which I'll put a link later on. So like that, you could check them out on how you can actually get more credit cards. And actually some of them you could even get you with just one inquiry. Now guys, let's start this. Now, credit cards are easy to get, while personal loans are a little harder to get. And the reason being is that they go through all your credit utilization and the type of credit you have, the revolving accounts, the type of credit cards you have in order for you to get a personal loan. So you're actually gonna inquire a little more obstacles getting a personal loan than a credit card, but it could be a better interest rate when you actually get a credit card. For the most part, on a credit card, you get an APR or an interest rate from 9.9, which is Navy Federal is one of the best ones out there that you could get on credit card, all the way to like the 25, 26, even 29%. Now, on a personal loan, I remember that when I actually got a personal loan of my own, my interest rate was, if I remember correctly, it was like 7.9, which is a great rate. Now, guys, personal loans is a set. Once you actually get approved, you know that the next month, unless the bank works with you, the next month you're gonna start working on towards making a set payment, an installment on the monthly basis. So that's something you gotta keep in mind. You gotta be responsible when getting a personal loan. Now, on credit card, a credit card is like an IOU. You have a lot of more credit flexibility. And the credit limit will actually be dictated, or it will be dictated by your credit score and your credit profile. So in this case, a lot of creditors will check your credit score, and they will see a specific credit score that you have in order to qualify for a certain amount. Now, I'm also in the bottom of this video, you'll see the Remastered secret lenders list, which will give you every lender that's available, their criteria when it comes to credit score, and how much you can get approved in order to qualify for them. Now, one of the good things with a credit card is like I said, an OU, but you could use as much as you want out of that credit limit that is given to you. But you have 30 days in order to pay that amount without interest rate. So it's like a free wallet. Let's just say, for example, you have a $10,000 limit. You want to use 10,000, but you know that you're going to be able to pay them within the next 30 days. So it's like magic money that you could pay and not have an interest on. Now, once the 30 days have elapsed, that's when you actually start paying interest. And like I said, interest can go anything from 9 to like the 20, 26, 29. That all depends on your credit worthiness. Now, credit cards have something called rewards. You may see that a lot of credit cards offer you rewards. They offer you cash back, they offer you discounts, they offer you the ability to convert points into gift cards or even goods. A lot of them give you miles, a lot of them allow you to stay in hotels, and so on. I mean, there's so many rewards out there, something that a personal loan will not have. Credit cards do because they work with different vendors, and that's the way to actually incentivize you to work with them. So they give you discounts and they give you some kickbacks. Now, credit cards are easy to get because they are on an unsecured basis, meaning that you won't have to put any collateral. And a collateral means something that you place in lieu of that debt. So for example, if you get a personal loan, sometimes they might want you to put a collateral of your home or something else. In this case, if you have equity on the house, if by any chance you get to default on that loan, the bank will come back and actually collect from the equity on your property. Now guys, it is needless to say to please use credit cards responsibly. That's other people's money. Like, you hear this everywhere. Invest but use other people's money. But guess what? Credit cards are other people's money. You have a set amount of somebody else's money that you know it's gonna cost you. It's gonna cost you. But use it wisely. Don't use it for vacations and so on. I mean, if you need to and you know that you can make the payments, just pay it off. But my advice to you is, like me, I use my credit cards to invest. Sometimes I buy different things in which I know the investment is gonna pay me back and pay that credit card off. So just be smart, whatever your niche is, be smart when you actually use your credit cards. Now, when we talk about personal loans, so personal loans are an installment loan. They are a set amount. So when you get the installment, the personal loan, you can qualify for, let's just say conversation's sake, an $80,000 a loan. You pay, so once you get qualified, you'll get all the terms. You get an interest rate that you know that you're gonna have for the life of the loan. Let's just say 36 months. And you know that the day of, usually it's between 30 or 60 days, depending on the lender, you get a set amount that you will pay for the 36 months, unless there's no prepayment penalty and you are able to pay the full amount up front because whatever reason you came into some money or your investment, if you used it wisely in order to invest, came back even faster than what you thought, and you were able to pay this loan. Now, I've seen people take loans, personal loans, for the wrong things, guys. For vacations, for weddings, to pay off a vehicle, or to actually not pay off a vehicle, but buy a vehicle. You know what? If you actually want to get a low interest rate type of loan, a vehicle loan is so much better than even a credit card. But anyway, that's a conversation for another day. Now, guys, my advice, if you ever need to actually take a loan or a personal loan, use it for a debt consolidation, as long as you are able to obtain a better interest rate than what you were paying for the credit card. So that usually you will see, if you have a high amount of credit card debt, more than likely you probably get on the mail a lot of marketing saying, hey, you can consolidate your loans. And what a consolidation loan is a personal loan. Keep in mind that both a credit card and a personal loan, the interest rate, the terms that you get, the amount that you get depends on your credit and your credit worthiness. So guys, we are the best credit blueprint. If you need help, guys, my number is going to be up here. If you need help, give us a call. Let us help you. We could get you into the best credit blueprint. We can start creating your own blueprint. Now, if you need more help and you don't have the time to go through the whole course and start doing it yourself and become a credit sniper for yourself, we also have our preferred vendor. They have a patented system and software that is unique in the United States, and that can help you actually get you to where you want to go in almost to no time, guys. Give us a call, let us help you. And lending, so we one-stop shop. We're able to also lend you money. But at the same time, guys, if you need help financing, let us help you. We got you too. Now, guys, one more thing that I want to make sure that you guys understand is, when it comes to a credit card, there's never a fee for originating that credit card. It's just the credit worthiness, and you may take a couple points when you actually get approved for the credit card. So keep in mind, when you get approved for a credit card, you usually lose between 1 to 2 points of your credit score. If you ever get denied from a credit card, then that's between 5 to 7 points. So keep those things in mind. Now, for a personal loan, there will always be some origination fees. Try to negotiate, see what you can get and we cannot get. Sometimes the origination cost will be applied to the loan, so that can help you out. So if you wanted a loan for $80,000, all of a sudden you wind up with 84.5 or $85,000 because there was some origination fee, especially if you had someone helping you out to get the loan. Now guys, I hope this helped you. If you have any comments, any questions, please leave it in the comments. Let us know how we did. Let us know how we can help you. Let me know if any other content that you want to know about. Actually, this one was one of you that wanted to know what was the difference between a credit card and a loan. So hope this helps you. But at the same time, guys, like and share. Like and share. Click on that bell icon so like that you'll be notified every time that will come to you. And you don't miss none of our videos. Remember, we come to you daily. At the same time, guys, give me the thumbs up. Let me get to more people. Like I said, the algorithm help us out to actually reach more people out there and be able to help them. And I hope this video helps you. Guys, one more time, my name is Carlos Estrada Vega. I'm with the Best Credit Blueprint. Give us a call if you need some help right here, the Best Credit Blueprint. This is our number, guys. Hey, I hope to see you in the next video, and I'll see you soon.